with Todd Walton, our head service advisor here at Walnut Ridge, and we're just going to give you some more good information today. We're going to go over a couple of units with you, and I'm going to ask some questions to Todd, and he's going to kind of walk you through some of the processes that we have here and things that are very important to look for. So, Todd, start out here. We're looking at this unit here. This is one of many things that we look at every day. What, as a lead service advisor, that your service writers come with you in problems, what's some of the major issues that you see in the service lanes that our customers that aren't knowledgeable maybe or don't do the neglect their RV, not taking care of it properly? Can you tell me some of the issues that you're finding out there?
Yeah, Justin, a lot of the main issues, and the advisors, they go out, they get up on the roofs, they check everything out like they're supposed to do. They, find an issue, they recommend maintenance packages due to what their findings. But the main thing that we see is lack of maintenance on your sealants, so on your roof, on your termination moldings, so which is not here, but you have termination molding that runs down both sides back here. Then you have a termination molding that runs across the roof. So this unit here, obviously the rear wall, the Phylon wall is taking in water. So from the window, from the tail lights, so this was all due to lack of sealant. So water got in there. You're not going to see it overnight. I mean, it'd take months, but by the time you see your Phylon skin starting to welt up and swell up, it's too late. There's no way. The only way to fix that is you're tearing this thing down here, replacing that whole skin. And you can see how bad, and that is all due to lack of maintenance, sealant issue where the maintenance did not get done, and by the time the customer saw this, the damage is done, and you're looking at several thousands of dollars to fix this. It's a few $100s. You could have done it, brought it into us, had us check everything out, reseal it, and wouldn't be dealing with this issue. But this is a very costly repair, time-consuming. Parts are not cheap at all.
All right, so this is a great example. Thanks, Todd, for that. Something else that we see a lot, Todd, and we discussed this earlier. People talk about sealants again. Like, what's some of the major issues with floors and stuff like that can cause problems? And we have an example that Todd can show here on a unit. Can you go show them that right now?
Absolutely. Right here. So this is their main floor. So we're inside the front compartment of this fifth wheel. As you can see, we're going to have to replace all this decking, all this subfloor, due to sealant issue. They did not seal or check around their compartment door, and obviously there's vinyl flooring that's peeled back right now, so they wouldn't even have seen it till it got to the point of this, because they probably went to put something in there or put their hand on it. And I mean, I could push right through this. I mean, you're going right through. So this is a very, very expensive repair. Pull all this out, replace all this subflooring, reinstall the door, new seal. Obviously you can see the seal just falling apart. Then reseal this, but this all came from a sealant issue, and they did not check the seal on the compartment door as well. I mean, we carry this stuff in stock. It's probably $20-$30 seal, and then $15 worth of sealant just for this area. They could have avoided this very expensive repair, but the damage is done now. We see this a lot, and and some people, they don't know that they need to do maintenance, or they come in, and I get it. I mean, this day and age, I mean, everybody's money is valuable. I understand it, but if you own an RV, you have to keep up with your maintenance. So you want to spend a few $100s on maintenance to make sure something of this magnitude does not happen. I would show you the value of right here. This, I mean, few $100 maintenance package, and have it come in and we check it every year, take care of the sealants issues. You wouldn't have had this. Now you're talking thousands of dollars of repair, and unfortunately we do see it all the time.
And Todd, that's the good question, good answer there on that. Now I have a question. If an insurance company comes in and sees this, a lot of people say, "Hey, I turned to my insurance." In your past experiences that we've had here, does insurance pay for something like this, or do they not pay for something like this? In your past experiences, majority of them.
Any kind. It's a good question, Justin. Any kind of a maintenance issue. So a sealant issue, they are not going to. Insurance is 100%. Unfortunately, we can submit it, but they are not going to cover it because it's due to lack of maintenance. So they will 100% straight up deny it. We try to get it approved here, but the years that I've been doing this, maybe I had one or two that got approved, and that's been many years ago. All the insurance company now, they're familiar with RVs, automotive insurance. Back in the day, they didn't know much about RVs, so yeah, they didn't know what they were looking at. They knew cars and trucks and SUVs. They did not know recreational vehicles. Well, that has changed. They are very versed in it. They're going to come out and inspect it. Even though we do an inspection on it, they're going to come out and look at it, and then they're going to straight out, yeah, this is a maintenance issue. Yeah, it's denied. So this would be, unfortunately, 100% customer pay. Now, if you had a tree limb come in and hit your roof or your slide out roof, yeah, insurance is going to cover that. But due to a maintenance issue, like sealant issue, they are 100% not going to cover it, unfortunately.
We hope today this helped you guys out, understanding the importance of making sure you do maintenance. We're not trying to scare you here, but we're trying to help you to understand the importance of what you have to do to maintain the RV, so we don't have costly expenses for you as a consumer. So if you have any more questions, there in the comment section down there, just write some questions for you, and then our marketing team will reach out to us and we can answer those for you. Again, we appreciate the time that you spend watching this, and if you have any other things, let us know. You can call us here at Walnut Ridge at 765-533-2288. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Bye-bye.